What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today we're going to check out Ritze Perdana 1 in Damansara, Perdana. Let's go! Before we go for the tour, I would like to say thank you to Staywork Property for inviting me to come to review this property. Alright, landlords out there, if you're watching this, have you have a problem finding agents to rent out or even sell your property? If you do, check out Staywork Property website where you can list your property for free, and then the agents will be the one contacting you. I'll leave their website in the comments down below, so do check out the comments down below, and let's get on to the property tour. What's up everyone, this is Kenny here. So today I've got a unit in Ritze Perdana 1. This unit is 634 square feet. I'm going to show you how the unit looks like. Alright, it's fully furnished. So this unit is at the corner. So you come in straight away, this is the kitchen on the right and also the living hall. I tell you, the view is simply breathtaking. So you got one aircon here and this is your view. I'm gonna take out the wire so you can hear the sound of the birds chirping. Can you hear the birds? So this is the view. Alright, let's continue the tour. 634 square feet. They will have one room. Okay, so this is the kitchen, and once you come in here, right side, this will be the laundry area. You can see the owner has already put the place to hang and washing machine. Okay, and this is the room. It's one bedder, beautifully done. So immediately imagine this, open the window out. When you sleep here, open the window, that's the fresh air come. And this unit, right, it's totally done very well. And see the shelves and also the restroom. This is the bathroom with the wardrobe here, and this is the bathroom. Rain shower, place to put soap, bar. This is really beautifully done, I tell you. The owner has done it so well. This one, wardrobe, so much space, and you can actually just, this is a full-length mirror, not from the ceiling lah. Okay, from here. Now it's beautiful. So that's it. 634 square feet. So much, so cozy, really cozy, very nice place. So one floor has 3 lifts. One is the fire one, it's 2 normal, it's 20 units per floor. Okay, so then you come in, beside the lift, of course, this is the refuse area. And go in and see the refuse area. Okay, small refuse area, there's one roll bin and also, there's also the tap. So enough, I think, because the units are here are all the small units. So the refuse area here, then you go in, this is the place the units are, okay? So one floor has 20, right? So this is the corridor. You notice, right, as old units, the corridor here is slightly smaller, but enough to actually bring your furniture, okay? Even the ceiling is not really high. So we are on quite a high floor. Airwell here. So airwell direct to the sky. So this is the airwell staircase. And you notice, right, all condos, usually, right, they do not have the lock here. But it's good, they have the CCTV here, so you can see people coming in and out. Now I'm going to the facility. Facility is located on the ground floor. So now I'm going on ground floor, I'm going to the facility. Okay, the swimming pool. So this is the swimming pool. Shower area. This is the entrance to, I think, block D1. So this is the pool here. Oh, they even have like a water feature. Oh, Okay, this water feature actually goes down to the this is the park here. I think this park is the one that I came just now, and it's open to public, so you can actually come into your unit to here. You can go further down. Okay, this is on the first floor, I think. Then you go ground floor. You can go further down. You can come out straight away. This is another unit, another block. This is how it looks like. 1.2 meters depth. Coming from here, they do have some picture going down, and yeah, you will be overlooking the green side. Beautiful barbecue area. So barbecue area. Let me just go up. There's 2 barbecue pizza. Place to hang out. Notice old condos, they are not that high. Old high rise. Alright.
Sorry? I see, next to the lift. Okay, got it. Thank you so much.
So I think this is the lookout area or something, I'm not sure. This one, there's an empty room, not sure what is it inside, but look at the view and the breeze. I'm here at 12:30 Saturday. Look at the view. It's breezy, it's not that hot, although yeah lah, now it's a bit hot already lah. Okay, so imagine the morning come, this unblocked view, because are all landed property. Okay, I think this one is the government housing, if I'm mistaken. Okay, so now let's head to the gym. So I'm at the ground floor and we are going to the gym. Ground floor also has units. What you notice different from the ground floor is that there's this space here. It goes right up to the area. And look at this, it's actually very well maintained. No rubbish, not even like water that is stay here that they didn't go through. That means the drainage here and the rubbish also, if they have, they clean. But what does this say about the people that are staying here? Is a lot. Okay, if you can see this clean, this really clean, means the people here have civic mandate and staying here. They know not to throw rubbish out of the window. Okay, so let's go. One more thing to add, if you do find this kind of place like this, right, if it's rented out, that means the tenants here are conscious, civic conscious. They don't throw rubbish out of the window. And the owners here, that does I tell you, the owners here, they pay their maintenance fee on time and they take care of the property. You can see the modifications done, and they add the CCTV, and they also maintain the landscape and this area very well. Okay, so now I'm going to the gym, the ground floor, going to the gym. If you stay at the ground floor, you straight away can come down to the gym and also go up straight away. It's a facility, but I think less privacy because your unit, especially if down here, these are hostel unit. People come here, this is already the public space. So from here on the left is the gym, and this here is the lift to go up to the units. This is lobby where you can register. So we are at block D2. There is block D1 outside. Okay, and there's also a reading room behind. This is the reception area. So reading room behind. Reading room here. I'm not sure what this foyer is for, but there's a meeting room inside there also. Okay, let me just see whether I can go in. Oh, cannot go in. Okay, never mind. Okay. Reading room is temporarily closed. Okay, no problem. So the gym is on the ground floor. So we are at the gym. So now this is the gym. Okay, the gym is on the ground floor. You can see outside, right, the track. So gym is small. Yeah, old development gym is small, can have with it. And they do have the complete set of weights here and also the hanging bars. Sorry, this one sorry man, lateral pull down. Okay, I really need to go to the gym more often. I need to learn how to use all this stuff. Okay, back to the review. It's a small one, but things are complete here. You have your treadmill, you have your all the equipment, the chest press, everything here lah. And equipment looks like they are well maintained. Everything is in order. It's just that, you know, maybe they could like patch up this, repaint the wall a bit. It looks gloomy, gym. And this part here, perhaps you can, this quite moldy here. Perhaps you can take it down and give the fresh coat of paint. You look much more beautiful. You look very bright and inviting. Because I like the sunlight here. When I'm standing here, right, the natural sunlight is really a lot natural sunlight inside this place. Okay, so that's it for the gym. So from this door, go out. That will be the entrance to the other block. I like this part here. Okay? Even back in then, the developer has already considered so that easier for wheelchair to access, which is good. And then the guard post here, register yourself, go up. You go out there, there's already Damansara Perdana commercial area. So you go down, you wait for your grab food or your stuff all is here. And this will be your mailbox. So if you're a resident, this is the mailbox. Good that it's locked. Okay. And you go down here, right, you will see a commercial area, and the moment you turn right, this is where the park is. This one, surprisingly, is open to public and it's well maintained. I'm not sure how they maintain this place. I mean, whose fun is this? Okay, so you have like a playground here. Small, no, it's not, sorry, it's not playground, it's for calisthenics, outside exercise. Have it. Nice bridge. Remember this, the swimming pool, that's where we are there just now. And then you go all the way down, there is block B and C. Okay, not mistaken, that's block B and C. And block A will be right behind. Okay, actually nice place. Don't know who's the one paying for the landscaping. It looks like it's well done. You see all the plants, the trees, all they are all trimmed nicely. Okay, do you see this? Look at this, the palm tree. The selection of the plants they use, I'm not sure how they maintain it. It's beautiful actually, there's nice palm trees. You come out, okay, when you come out here, can you see we are straight away at the Damansara Perdana commercial area. Of course, Ritze Perdana has its own commercial component. This is where the shops is. And to make it easier for you, there's also a laundry area there. And these are paid parking, podium parking are paid. So it's counted by per hour, I think $3 per hour, all these paid parkings. So this is the commercial component. Ground floor shops, I think at the top there is offices where you can rent the office. I see some for rent and for sale. Okay, and this is how the place look like. Block D2, Block B, D1, D2, B. I think we are at just now. Oh yeah, sorry, just now we are at Block B. D1 and D2 is the commercial component. D1 and D2 commercial component. We are at Block B just now. Okay, my bad. So right opposite, right, is a convenience all over. You don't need to go anywhere. You can walk. You see Mr. DIY down there, and then you can walk down there. There's so many food to eat. and also auto shops, food, everything is here actually. And down there at Perdana Emerald, you have a Jaya grocer, if I'm not mistaken, Jaya grocer down there. Okay, and you have a supermarket there, so KK Mart. So you actually don't need to go anywhere with car. You can walk outside your building where you stay and then just do your shopping. Alright. So now I'm walking towards Block A. That is Block A actually. You can see there's a lot of parking for the commercial area. So it's even as a visitor parking for it's an underground visitor parking. Down here I'm walking towards Block A, B, C. This is Block A. So B is C, shop lot office. Block A has a cafeteria, spa center. I remember just now you walk right in that park there. Coming here, that park here, you can straight away go to Block B already. Okay, so that's it for the tour of Ritze Perdana 1 in Damansara, Perdana. This place is built in 2006 by developer MK Land. Actually, MK Land is the master developer of Damansara, Perdana. So for 2006, 19 years, close to 20 years, 2 decades condo is actually surprisingly well maintained. And the prices here, once I think it started with 90,000, and then mistaken they launched it, and now it's about 200,000 you can get. It's still 200,000 with rental of about 1,600, 1,700. You can get 1,600 fully furnished. I think it's a good bargain, definitely a good bargain, because if you stay here, you don't really need the car to move anywhere. So you can drive to IKEA, also near, it's about 8 minutes. You want to walk outside to get your food, get your car repaired, get your groceries, everything is here within walking distance. Alright, so this is Kenny here from Probably Stories, and I will see you again next video. Bye bye.